Welcome back to Product Critique, where we dive deep into the best products on the market. Today, we're talking about the best 5M Crochet Hook, an ergonomic crochet tool that promises to make your crocheting experience easier and more comfortable. Whether you're a seasoned crochet enthusiast or just starting out, this crochet hook could be exactly what you need. This crochet hook is designed for anyone who enjoys the art of crocheting but doesn't want to deal with hand strain or discomfort. One of the standout features of this tool is its ergonomic rubber handle. It's been specially crafted to reduce hand fatigue, even during long crocheting sessions. You'll notice the difference as soon as you pick it up. No more aching fingers or wrists from gripping a hard, uncomfortable hook. The hook head itself is made from high-quality aluminum, offering durability and a smooth surface that won't snag or split your yarn. It's perfectly shaped for crocheting smoothly, which is an absolute game-changer for beginners and experienced crafters alike. The lightweight feel adds to the overall comfort, making it a joy to work with. The size of this hook is 5.0 millimeters, a very popular size for most crochet projects. But what's great is that this crochet hook comes in a variety of other sizes as well, ranging from 2.0 millimeters all the way to 10.0 millimeters, so you can select the right tool for whatever project you're working on. It's perfect for both fine and thicker yarns, making it versatile for a range of crochet designs. Now, let's talk about the color of this hook. While it may not always match the pictures you see online, the company has chosen to send crochet hooks in random colors. But rest assured, no matter the color, the quality of the hook remains the same. It's a small surprise that adds a bit of fun to your crochet toolbox. One of the things I love most about this crochet hook is its thoughtful design. The soft rubber handle makes it easy to grip, ensuring you maintain control and precision as you work. This is especially important when working on detailed projects, where every stitch counts. The extra long handle also helps reduce tension on your hands, which is a huge advantage for those who may have arthritis or other hand issues. In addition, the crochet hook has double-sided markings that show both the letter size and the millimeter size, making it easy to find the right hook without having to flip it around. It's these small but important design details that truly set this hook apart from others. Overall, this 5M Ergonomic Crochet Hook is an excellent tool for anyone looking to upgrade their crochet kit. Its comfort, ease of use, and versatility make it a top choice for both beginners and experienced hobbyists. If you're looking for a tool that will help you crochet for longer periods without discomfort, this could be the perfect fit for you. Thanks for watching this review on the best 5M Crochet Hook. If you found this helpful, make sure to hit the like button and subscribe to Product Critique for more product reviews like this one. Happy crocheting!